Okay, welcome to this test of how much air is trapped in the pipe during a snoring. This is fully water filled now. It's a circuit coming up through the plastic tube and back through the hose down below the water surface, which means all air that enters comes from the pump. Now the pump is rising slowly and soon above the water level. Still only water in the pipe. Here we go, now snoring begins. We have still no air in the pipe. Now small bubbles can be seen, but they are not accumulating to any volume. Now in normal, this pump would have closed now. It would have stopped on snoring detector. Now we have completed above the surface. Still barely no air coming up in the pipe. And now we close the pump. And what we can see is some air coming. The check valve is now closed. And altogether, all air that is accumulated in this over-snoring condition is about 1 liter. Some in the hose, maybe 1.5 liter. So, not much air enter the pipes when snore.